Good afternoon. This is Corby Dickerson here from the National Weather Service recording your fire weather briefing for Sunday, August 14th. In general, here's a weather summary for the next week ahead. Today we expect a slight chance for some thunderstorms, mainly across southwest Montana, though really shouldn't be too much of an impact. A brief sprinkle and occasional lightning strike, but nothing too significant. Monday through Wednesday, we're moving into a period of hot and dry weather. Poor humidity recovery is going to be expected, along with thermal belt locations becoming more pronounced. However, good news appears to be on the horizon, as by Thursday and Friday, we're looking at much cooler, 10 to 15 degrees below normal, along with the chance for some showers, especially for those of you near the Continental Divide, and significantly better humidity recovery. That weather system will pass through the area and bring us a continued cool, dry, and breezy weekend. So here are some specific impacts that may potentially affect you this week. The lowest afternoon humidity is expected to occur on Tuesday as we sit pretty much right under a ridge of high pressure. These are what we're currently forecasting for the minimum RH. This is the lowest amount of humidity we're expecting through this entire week. Humidity will be similar, but perhaps just a few percentage points higher this afternoon, Sunday afternoon, Monday afternoon, with the lowest occurring by Tuesday afternoon. Similarly, we anticipate the poorest overnight recovery to occur Wednesday mornings, that Tuesday night to Wednesday morning time frame. Generally speaking, these are the valley location humidity, with the mid-slopes to ridges recording humidity percentages likely running in the upper 40, lower 50%, maybe recovering to 60% in certain locations. Not horrible, but certainly could keep fire on the ground active later into the night, perhaps getting things started earlier in the morning. As I said, we're moving into a period of cooler and perhaps unsettled, maybe even wet weather as we look towards Thursday and Friday. Here are what we are forecasting for afternoon highs by Friday, which is expected to be the coolest day of this week. We're expecting increasing daytime humidity, gusty easterly winds as this system comes down along the Continental Divide and moves kind of south to southwest through the area. So we're expecting a pretty significant change in wind direction than what we've seen here for the past several weeks and months. In fact, this system has more hints to be more fall-like, with an easterly wind push that could channel through some of the narrow gaps and canyons that propagate from the Continental Divide inland into the northern Rockies. Widespread showers on Thursday with some scattered showers on Friday, especially near the Continental Divide. This doesn't look like it's going to be a significantly wet system, though models are going a little bit back and forth on that. So stay tuned for additional details as we sort through them this week. This next image basically shows you the cool down that's going to occur between Wednesday and Friday. So we're looking at a 15 to 20 degree temperature difference in Montana, with around a 10 to 15 degree temperature difference in Idaho. So this is going to be a pretty significant effect, which when these temperatures drop this much, we would anticipate some pretty gusty winds. So stay tuned as we sort out further details. We'll probably highlight this a bit more in detail as we go throughout the week in the fire weather forecast. But of course, you can always give us a phone call here and we can help you sort out the details for your specific locations. Thank you so much for joining us. Our next briefing will be this Thursday. In the meantime, if you need any help, here are some phone numbers that you can give us a call 24 hours a day to get information and help, along with our website, which has all the additional information you may need to help you with your fire weather desires. Hope you have a great week, and once again, thank you for joining us.